Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading all together now for the week of August 2nd, 2023, Part 2. Hey Wall, a story of art and community, written by Susan Verde, illustrated by John Para. Hey Wall, you are big, a city block big, my city block. Maybe once you were full of style, but no one has taken care of you. You are nothing to look at. You are cold, old, empty. Hey, Wall! In the fall, James and I skateboard past you as fast as we can on the way home from school. In the winter, dirty snow piles up in front of you. No one shovels. Danny and her friends on the block build their snowmen on other sidewalks. In the spring, Grandma Addie drinks iced tea on the stoop. She talks of a time when our neighborhood was beautiful, when you were beautiful. In the summer, the ice cream truck rolls by. We chase it to a spot far from you, where we can let the ice cream melt on our tongues. Each day, we all keep our eyes down. We cheer for the tiny flowers pushing through the cracks in the sidewalk, reaching for sunlight. No one looks up at you. There is nothing to cheer for. You are only lonely concrete. Hey, Wall! When we are inside with family, friends, and neighbors, there is love. There is joy. Can you smell what's cooking? We are eating together. Can you hear the stories we share about the way things used to be? We are telling jokes, belly laughing. Can you hear our music? We are salsa dancing. We are hip-hopping. We are dizzy from spinning. We want to take it to the streets, but you don't dance. You don't laugh. You don't share your stories. Hey, Wall, guess what? I'm ready to change all that. I've got my pencil. I've got my paints. I've got my dreams. I'm a writer, a creator, a game changer, a wall changer. James and Danny brought their sketches. Grandma Addie brought her memories. We've all brought our ideas and imagination. We give you one last look, and then we begin. I call to my family, my friends, my neighbors. We stand right in front of you, staring down. You are our wall now. You become our blank canvas. Your cracks and bumps and rough edges are our clean slate. Up on ladders and way down low, soon we have you filled with colors, creations, energy. You are stone, but you do not have to be hard. Hey, Wall, look at you now. You are beautiful. Now you tell the real story of us, and together we are something to see. Hey, Wall! The end. We're going to do some mural painting as best we can. I don't want you to go and paint the walls of your house or paint a wall or anything. What you got for your Craft to Go kit is a gigantic piece of paper. This is only halfway open. Here it is here. It goes from here all the way to here. So you're going to hang that up on the wall, and you're just going to paint it. So you'll need some paints, paintbrushes, some water to rinse out your brushes, and some tape to tape up the piece of paper. Okay, I have my paper hanging up, and down here I have my paints and paintbrushes. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and paint away. Do whatever comes to mind. Let's see here. This is going to be a sunshine. It's hard to hold the iPad and paint at the same time. Oops. This isn't fun for you. to watch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my mural and then I'll show you what I came up with. Okay, so that's what I came up with for my mural. I have a heart, a peace sign, a sunshine, a rainbow, musical notes, and a G clef. Now you can make a whole scene. You don't have to do just individual things like I did. You can do it however you'd like. And ideally, you could get a big roll of paper and paint with a bunch of your friends. That's it.